It's lunchtime. I'm gonna take lunch. Yes, beautiful day. All right, guys, we are cleaning this Oak Island, North Carolina job up. Getting ready to get everything down, blow off the shingles, get everything blowed off. Got the ground being cleaned up. We have new 6 slant back 750 vents. They're aluminum. They had some plastic ones up there, but we are finished. We started this morning about 8 o'clock. There was about 8 of us down here. But yeah, it's looking good. Oh yeah, and while we're here, I want to give you a tip. Here's a quick tip. How to finish off your ridge caps without having exposed nails. Watch this. That way you're not exposing your nails. Caulking. Put you a piece of shingle dabbed right into it. Now your nails are covered up. my guys put these vents on, I asked them to use a little bit of Lexel caulking, not silicone caulking, it won't stay there, but Lexel will. A little bit of Lexel and cover their nail with a little piece of shingle tab. That way that nail is not exposed to this beach, because we're literally a quarter mile from the ocean. And that nail will rust so fast, not even funny. The beach is 2 streets that way, literally. So we don't want that ocean air, which it will, with all its salt, deteriorating these nails.